Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to get the Sora 2 invite codes easily. So the Reddit's, so you can access this, all this, and you can create your own as well. So I'm going to share this because some people don't know where to find the free code. So if you go to Reddit and you type in the Google new Sora 2 invite code get thread, you go to this one, copy the link above right here, and you click in the Discord. Click this link. It's gonna open Discord, just accept and then continue to Discord. So Discord is gonna open, and then make sure you are in the Sora AI community discussion. And what you want to do is you go to verification at first. This will not be shown until you verify. Just click the first link right here, verify your account. It's gonna go, just click visit. It's gonna open a form. It only takes 30 seconds before you can unlock the chat to get the code. So each person gets a code, get 4 more. So, but outside of voice chat, bot and scraper steal them all. So if you go to these codes, they post it in Reddit or somewhere on the internet. It's gonna be used pretty quick because those bots will scrape and then they will use them right away to create accounts. And so what you want to do is to go through the Discord right here, and then we go to this. So just go through this form and then do promise to share, say yes, and then join code giveaway voice. So this one, just join after you are accepted. Be totally quiet until someone says I have a code. Don't say anything until someone says that. Then do your promise to keep quiet until someone says I have a code. Say yes. Yeah, when they say it, say your name 2 times, they will direct message you. Otherwise, if you say I need the code bro, they call ban. So check your message request right here on the top, because those people are not your friends. So check in your message request to get the code, and they will actually talk to you on the message or by voice. And just select PC. You're on PC. Once you're inside Sora, you can get the invite code to invite more friends and then to help back the community because you got the code from. And so it can be used 4 times, the invite code. And then put the email, and then at the end there's a code. So I already did that. So things are silent. If things are silent, less than 25 people. Have normal conversation. Avoid begging, yelling, pleading, talking over others. If there are more than, be totally silent. Okay, then don't beg for the code in any tags. Okay, just follow this, and then just click yes on everything right here. Make sure you have read it. And this, once you submit it, you're gonna get a code and to put in Discord. And what you want to do is you want to put it here in the Discord, and then paste the code. They will unlock this. So unlock this. First, you're not gonna see the chat. So the chat is on top right. Just open the chat, and someone's gonna give the code here, or they will talk here. Say, I have a code, and as you can see, I have a code, and they say your name twice, and they will actually message you, direct message you. You go here, direct message on top left right here, and just go message request. Someone will actually message you right here. If they say they message you, just check your code right here. So that's the best way to get the code. Otherwise, the bots will scrape it, and you will not. And I tried other channel like the OpenAI right here, which needs verification. But earlier I got the code and it's not working. So this is not working. The Sora AI community discussion community will work. So once you have access, I'm going to show you. You can have a for you following, people you follow, the top best likes or comments in the video, latest, and then you can see this. And you can search by username someone right here, like Sam right here is going to have a lot of Sam. So you're going to have activities, and you go to here. Once you create a post, so if you generate a post, it's going to show up here, and you can upload an image. So it can be, it can be an object or a pet, but not a person. So right here under age 18, you cannot have a picture uploaded here without the consent, and then Otherwise you can you know, upload, you can do commercial and stuff. And these people right here, if you click on the picture, it's gonna add them inside your video, so it's gonna have their face on. If you want to have your own face, just download the iOS app on Cameo and log in with the same email that you have access to Sora 2. And this one is the settings for portrait or landscape mode. So most likely is portrait if you want to put on TikTok Reels or YouTube Shorts. And then click generate, and you can actually see the cameos that you did, the post that you created. And you don't need to have a face or an image. You can create just text to video, and it's gonna edit this for you. As you can see,
or a country, you don't know. Alley here. There we go. Ooh, looks like someone was waiting.
Check out that shroud. Whoa.
Do a kickflip.
see, you can see these. And what's cool about this is that if you click on it, you can remix this. So you can actually go here, you can remix, clicks on remix, and you can describe the change to a different cat, change to a different environment. You can also like, you can share, you can download, right? Download, so you can download to your computer, but it's gonna have the Sora watermark everywhere, and you can see what people are commenting on this, and you can see the different remixes right here.
Do a kickflip.
There's many remixes that you can see right here.
Kickflip.
This is a Shiba Inu.
Kickflip. Let's
Yeah, people doing different.
do a kickflip. Let's go.
This one is faster. It's like really fast. Well, that was okay.
Did you know?
There's a lot of things you can do. There's anime style, and this is like a 3D. It's like flying through. As you can see, there's different styles. You can do anime style. And what I like about this is that it adds a background sound effect and lip sync, voice sync correctly with the character. And also you're gonna have you know, the different edits and cuts pretty good. So for 10 seconds or 12 seconds, so usually it makes 10 seconds, but I'm going to show you another video how to make 4 second, 8 second, 12 seconds, and using Sora and Sora Pro. Yeah, so if you find this video helpful, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.